Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. So for today's video, we're going to be doing another cash stuffing video, and this is for my second paycheck for June. So the total that we'll be stuffing today is $238. So let's get started. And if you see my video before this video, you would have seen my new A7 mini cash binder. I really love this binder. I wanted something small because I was tired of using the other cash envelope wallet that I had. So I ordered this from Oh My Pies, and I'll be sure to link her Etsy down below. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with our cash envelopes, and some of these have money in them because I took the money that was in my old cash envelope wallet and just put it into here. So we're gonna start with spending. Spending is going to get a $10 bill. So spending has 10. I gotta get used to folding my money up because I wasn't used to that. Household had 7 from the my last cash stuffing before the previous video. So what I'm gonna do is take this, or $8. So I'm gonna take this out and place it to the side. The household is gonna get $15. Okay, you can go to bed. So that's 10, 15. And excuse me for the background noise, but my nephew is here. So I'm recording this video, 2 videos in one day. So you're gonna hear him in the background. So he's 2 years old, so excuse me for that. So my next envelope is groceries, but we're not gonna stuff groceries this pay period. If you watch my previous videos, you've known that I've kind of went back and forth with having a grocery envelope or not having one. But I kind of think I want one, so I figured we'd bring it back, but we're not gonna stuff it. Gas is getting $50, and I normally use my debit card, but for some reason I keep forgetting and I take it out of my account. So I have my mini cash envelope here in case I do take it out. Car maintenance is gonna get 15, but I think I'm gonna make car maintenance a sinking fund instead of a regular like cash envelope, only because I'm gonna be stuffing, trying to save up a certain amount of money. So for now we're gonna put 15, but in the future I think I'm going to make car maintenance a sinking fund envelope. Coins, this is an extra envelope that she gave me, so I'm thankful for that, and I'll start using that. And then she gave me this also. I don't know what it's for. I guess it's for this, but I have a Starbucks gift card and also a Longhorn, Olive Garden. There's different restaurants on there, so I just put that there. So we are done with our cash envelopes. I'm so in love with my binder. This is so cute. All right, so we're gonna start with this yellow binder, and we're gonna start with emergency fund. And emergency fund is getting $36, so we're gonna do a 20, 10, 5, and a 1. And so emergency fund has, we're going to add our money in. So we're gonna do that there, this here, and then where's these slabs? And then this here. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, we have 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 900, 910, 920, 930, 940, 950, 960, 965, 970, 975, 980, 985, 96, 87, 88, 89, 90, so $990. And then we have 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $1,000. Oh my god. So guys, we have finally reached our $1,000 mark for emergency fund. I am so excited. I don't know if y'all know how excited I am, but I'm super excited to finally be at the $1,000 mark for my emergency fund. I'm not stopping there. That was just the first goal that I had, but tomorrow I'm going to put this into my Capital One savings account, and I will put a $1,000 slip in my envelope to let me know that there's $1,000 in my account. So I'm gonna put this, let's just see if it'll fit in there. Oh, she thick. Oh, she thick. I don't know if she gonna get in there or not. Okay, she made it. Alright, so we're gonna put a $1,000 marker in here. I'm so excited. So the next envelope that we're going to be stuffing is our savings envelope, and savings is getting $10. Oh yeah, and guys, I apologize for the TV as well. He's watching something and then he's talking at the same time, so I do apologize. So for savings, we have 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. So we have $200 in our savings. Extradette isn't getting anything. Family vacation is getting $50. And we'll be using this pretty soon. Let's see. Alright, so in family vacation, we now have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900. Wait, I think, let's see, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, yes, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 30, 40, 50, 960, 970, 980, 990, 995, 1,000, 1,005, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we have $1,023 in our family vacation. And then most of, let's see. Yeah, this may be depleted for vacation. I'm not sure. We'll see. But yeah, so birthdays is next. Birthdays is getting $10. So birthdays now has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. And my nephew, I ordered him a cake. His birthday is Thursday, July 15th, and his cake is $45. So we'll be using that and probably some, you know, some more of it to get him a gift for his birthday. Christmas isn't getting stuff. Medical is getting a $5 bill. So medical now has 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. And I stuffed medical because I'm now like on 2 blood pressure medicines, and they both equal to like $40 something. But I only get them every 3 months, so I just want to probably keep this stuffed. And I have like another 2 months or 2.5 months before I need another refill. So there's that. Family time isn't getting anything. Self-care isn't getting anything. My vacation isn't getting anything. I moved car maintenance here because I think I'm just gonna make that a regular stinky fund. We do not stuff tithes on camera. All right, so our next binder, my mother is getting $5. Let's see. So now she has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So now she has $150. My nephew, this is the oldest, he will be 11 on the 15th. He's getting $5 as well. And he'll probably use this when we go on vacation. So they all probably will use their envelopes to buy, you know, if they want anything, they have money to get it. So he has 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, and $67. Nyla, she's also getting $5. So the kids are all getting $5. You guys are wondering. So she now has 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Nyla has $75. Princeton's getting $5 as well. And he has 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. So he has $60. And last but not least out of the bunch is Messiah, and she's getting $5 as well. So she has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So she has $75 in her envelope. Sam's Club is not getting anything. Giving is getting $2. So we have 1 and 2. So Giving now is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have $11 in Giving. Tech is not getting anything. Retirement is not getting anything. Student loans is getting a $5 bill. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. $30 in our student loan envelope. And then lastly, miscellaneous is getting the last $5 bill here. And now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So we have $45 in miscellaneous. Alright, so that is it for this. And I still have these 5, 6, 7, 8. This came out of the household. So trying to see what I want to do with it. I think I'm just gonna put it in my savings. Yeah, we'll just put it in savings. So savings has $208 as of right now. So let's count this to be sure. It should have $208. So we have 50, 70, 80, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200, 201, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So $208. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I have stuffed all of my envelopes, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos in the near future. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.